Hi there! Welcome to GlockApps. Today, I'll show you how to set up an automatic email test and monitor your email placement on a regular basis without any actions on your site. With automatic tests, you can quickly spot changes in your deliverability over time, and you can receive email notifications when your inbox rate drops below the desired value. Before you can configure an automatic test, you have to add a sending account to allow our tool to send your message to our seed list on your behalf. To do this, click on Sending Accounts, and then click Create Sending Account. First, enter a name for your sending account. It can be any name in order you can recognize the sending account in the GlockApps dashboard. Next, choose the integration mode. Choose Custom SMTP to manually enter the SMTP settings of your email service provider. You'll need to enter your from name, an email address, the SMTP server name, port name, security protocol, and your login credentials. To integrate with an Outlook account, choose Outlook. To integrate with a Google account, choose Gmail. Click Continue with Google. Select your Google account. Click Continue. Grant GlockApps the right to send emails on your behalf by clicking Allow. Click Close to finish. Now go to the dashboard and click Start Spam Test. Choose Start Automatic Test. Click Add New Email, copy the proxy email address and send the message to the proxy email address. Return to GlockApps and click Done. When the message appears, select it and click Next. Ensure the sending account for the test is selected. Then, choose the spam filters, inbox providers to create the seed list. Click Next. Now you can select a folder to save the test to. Add a short description for the test if needed and disable the link checker if you don't include links in the email. Also, you have to choose the testing interval, and you can set up email throttling to spread the message over time if your sending account has any restrictions. Click Done and then click Next. Finally, you can configure email alerts that will be sent to you if the email placement results meet a defined condition. Thus, you may be notified when your spam rate increases or when the particular provider's inbox rate drops below the desired value. Enter the alert name. Select the channel to receive alerts. Set the time to wait before sending the alert. 15-20 minutes is the recommended waiting time. Add the criteria for the alert. When done, click Save and Activate. Click Save and Test Now to run the test immediately. Wait for a couple of minutes for the report to load. During the test, GlockApps runs multiple checks. You can view the sending IP analytics and domain analytics, including the email authentication outcomes. You can see the spam score given by the most popular spam filters. And you can find out where your mail landed, inbox or spam, with different inbox providers. In the Content Analysis tab, you can find a detailed report returned by the HTML checker and the analysis of the images and links used in your email content. In the Actions tab, you can read personalized recommendations provided by our tool on what issues you should address to improve your email deliverability if it's not good. At the top of the report, you will have the automatic test history with the inbox placement rates. From the automatic test home, you can change the automatic test settings such as message content, folder, sending account, testing interval, and more. If you put a check mark near the automatic test, you can deactivate the test, delete the test, move the test to a different folder, or create a copy of the test. That's all I have for today. Thank you for choosing GlockApps.